The first time-saving tip is to learn the power of data sort. Let us say you created a sales report with a table like this. Now your boss wants you to present the report according to the descending number of units sold, which means the top performer needs to be number 1 and the next one at number 2 and so on. The usual solution is to copy the data from Word, go to Excel, paste it in Excel, sort the data, then copy the table, come back to Word, paste it. Obviously, it is an inefficient process. But do you know that Word has a native data sort option? Let me show you how it works. First, you select the entire table by clicking on this 4-headed arrow. Then go to Insert. Then go to the contextual tab called Layout. This tab is different from the other layout that you see here. This one has blue color and it has come here only because you selected this table. Then let us go to Sort under Data Group. Here we are going to sort by units sold. So let us select this option and say column 3 because that is the number of the column. And we say descending and our data has a header row. So let us select this and say my list has header row. And then you say OK. And then instantly you will see that the names are listed as per the units sold. But now there is a small problem. You can see that the numbers in the first column have all got jumbled up. Is there a way that we can sort only these numbers here? It is possible. All you need to do is to just select the column that you want to sort, then go to the sort button, say sort by number, which is the name of this column. Say my list has header row. We need to have this sorted as per the ascending order, so we select that option. Now at this point, if I were to just say OK, then the entire table will be sorted based on the first column, then the table will revert to its original form. That is not what we want. We want just this column to be sorted. So we need to go to this option here called Options and then say in the sort options, say sort column only and you say OK and you say OK again. Now only the numbers are sorted. Now your table is just the way you want it. The second tip is to save time by using multiple copy paste option. But before that, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Complete Word Foundation course, a comprehensive course with more than 8 hours of step-by-step video tutorials, practice files, exercises, and quizzes. The link to the product is in the description box below the video. Click and check the product. So how do we use multiple copy paste to save our time? Once again, let us get back to our table. Let us say we need to announce 3 winners based on their overall performance. And the management has decided that the 3 names that need to be chosen are Elizabeth Campbell, Destiny Erickson, and Judy Turner. Now you need to copy these names and paste them here one below the other. The usual way you do it is you first go here, you select the name by right-clicking and copying, and then you come back here, you need to go to the end, hit enter, and then paste by using Ctrl V. Once again go back to the same table and select the next name. Can you see it can be a bit tedious? There is a much smarter way to do this. You can copy multiple items onto your clipboard and paste those items anywhere in your document with just a single click. Let me show you how. First, let me go to Home tab. Here I need to launch the clipboard group by clicking on the launch button here. Now let us select the names. The first name is this, press Ctrl C and the name is copied onto clipboard. Then let us select the second name, press Ctrl C, it is in the clipboard. Then go to the third one, press Ctrl C and it is in the clipboard. Now I come here. Now to paste the first name, I select this, done. Press enter, select the second name, enter, third name, enter, and we have all 3 names entered with just a single click. This trick comes in quite handy, especially when you need to type a really large document where you have a set of complex names that you need to use over and over again. Instead of remembering those complex names and typing them out every single time, you can put them all in your clipboard and then recall those specific names wherever you want in your document. The third way you can save a lot of time working in MS Word is to kill distractions, and MS Word allows you to do so with its focus mode. Instead of working in the normal mode where there are a lot of distractions with all these tables, buttons, etc., you can enter into focus mode by clicking on this option here called focus mode, which is on the status bar. And that takes you to this kind of an environment where you can just go ahead and keep typing whatever you want and you will not be distracted with any of the unnecessary tools and buttons. And if for some reason you need to use certain tools and buttons in the Word ribbon, All you need to do is to take your cursor all the way up and that will open up the word ribbon. You choose the tool that you want to use, and once you are done using that tool, you come back to your document and click again and the toolbar disappears. This kind of clean and distraction-free environment is a boon for creative writers who don't want to be disturbed by anything else apart from their words. Of course, you can always come out of the focus mode by just hitting the escape button on your keyboard. So work without distractions in the focus mode in MS Word. Now, in line with the same idea, the next tip is to save a lot of time by searching on the internet without leaving MS Word. We all know how distracting opening a browser can be. Initially, our intention might be just to search for a certain piece of information, but then we end up getting distracted and we start browsing various videos, Facebook, Twitter, etc. and that really wastes a lot of time. Now let me show you how easy it is for you to get any information you want without leaving the MS Word environment. Let us say I want to write an article on appendicitis. So let me start by writing something about appendicitis. And while I write this, I want to get some information about what this indication is. So I select this particular word, right click, and then use this option called search. When I go to search appendicitis, instantly right inside Word, I get all the information I need. I have all these articles that I can refer to. I can go down and I can search for the top media results and all the top results on the web. I have all the information right here without having to open a new browser. Now let us say I want to insert this picture as part of my document. I can do so. I just go here and click on this plus button. Immediately the picture along with the attribution is pasted onto my document. I can close it and I can then continue typing my information, and it is that easy for you to work in MS Word without distractions. Now the last tip is how to insert the current date and time in your report with just a few clicks. Let us say this is a report I need to submit and I need to include a date and time stamp here. All I need to do is to go to Insert, go to Date and Time, and I can choose one of the available formats. Let us say I want to insert this. Usually I wouldn't insert the format where even the seconds are visible. This is just for the demonstration purpose. Let us select this and say OK. Now notice the time that is shown here. It is 12:54:22. Now I want this time to be updated. All I need to do is to select this time and immediately I get this option to update. I just need to hit update and then immediately the current time is displayed. If you want even more impressive tips and tricks about MS Word, you can click on the link in the description box below and join our complete Word Foundation course. In the meantime, if you want to learn all the essentials of MS Word in under 30 minutes and impress your bosses and colleagues, then we have just the right video for you right here. Just click on the link, watch the video and pick up some impressive Word tips that you can use in creating your next document. Even experienced users of MS Word are finding this tutorial quite helpful. So go ahead, click, watch and learn MS Word right now.